Sometimes we may forget the WordPress login password, and sometimes resetting with email ID may not work. In that case, it is very easy to reset the password using cPanel. To do so, log into your cPanel and then open PHPMyAdmin. In PHPMyAdmin, you will see a list of databases. Expand the database that correspond to your WordPress installation. Click on the user's entry and then click on Edit. Select MD5 from the drop-down menu. And under Value, give the password of your choice. Please provide a secure password. And click on Go to execute the change. Now your password is changed successfully. You can log in using your new password. Here you can see that I am using the newly changed password to log into the dashboard of my WordPress installation. The password for WordPress login can also be changed from the Profile tab. Once you are in your profile page, you can generate a strong password because WordPress also provides a password generation system. If you generate a password by this method, you should copy and save the password at a safe location. To change the password, click on Update Profile. So this is how we can change the WordPress login password using cPanel and also by using the WordPress profile menu. Thank you.